Hello my friend. In this video we'll learn how we can deal with dictionary in Python, how we can create dictionary, how we can add, delete or update items in dictionary, how we can access the dictionary items. Also we will see how we can use list in dictionary and how we can use for loop also. But before that, you have to know that dictionary is unordered, mutable and indexed collection. And to create dictionary, we can do that by using curly brackets, and the items between the brackets are key value pairs. And now let's see how can we deal with dictionaries. And now to create new dictionary, as I mentioned, we have to use curly brackets. So for example, my dictionary, then curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets we have to use key value pairs. So for example, color, or let's make for example name, then Jabi. Last name, then tube for example. So if I print my dictionary, then I will get my new dictionary. And to add new values to dictionary, actually it's similar to how can we add new values in list. So for example, my dictionary, then I want for example to use career, then I will use for example YouTuber. Then here equal, and the value will be YouTuber. So if I print it again, then I will get my dictionary with the new values. Also we can add new values but in indirect way. I mean with setDefault method. And setDefault method actually return the value of specified key. For example, my dictionary dot setDefault. Then here, for example, if I write name, then I will get the value of key name, which is Jabi. But in case, for example, age, and here I have to put for example 26, then here in case the age doesn't exist, then will be inserted to my dictionary, and that's what I meant in indirect way. So let's see, let's print my dictionary. So as you can see here, in the end of my dictionary I get the new items. Also I made mistake here when I use setDefault with exist. Yes, here I have to put another parameter. For example, in case doesn't exist, then for example like this. And now as you can see, the name it's Jabi. So in this case we will not insert any new value to my dictionary. And now to change element inside dictionary, we can update the item by indexing, for example, my dictionary. Then I want to update, for example, the last key, which is age. Then age equal, for example, 27. And now let's see the updated values. Then as you can see here, I get the age with 27. Also, we have another way to update the value, which is update method. For example, update, my dictionary dot update. Then here I have to pass dictionary with the item which I want to update it. So for example, age, for example, I will return to 26. Then if I print my dictionary, then I will get the updated value, which is age 26. Actually, the difference between the standard indexing and update method, that with update I can update many key value pairs together. For example, if I want to update here, I can update also for example, let's say last name. Then I will get the updated values. So as you can see here, I update the last name and the age together. And now if I want to access one element or more in dictionary, also we can use the same thing as I used in list, which is by indexing. So for example, if I want to access print, let's say the age, then I put the key between the brackets. Then as you can see, I get 26. Also we can use method which is get. So let's try my dictionary dot get, and then here we have to put the keys which I want to get its value. Then for example, let's get the name. Then here I will get the value of the key name. And actually the difference between these two ways, actually with get, if I, for example, try to access a key doesn't exist, then I will get none, because the default values of get, it's none, while with the standard indexing I will get error. So let's try with get, and let's try with an exist key. Then here as you can see, I didn't get anything. For example, so as you can see, the returned value is none. While if I try it with standard, let's try with age1, then I will get error, which is k error with the key age1. Also in this field where I try to access elements in dictionary, actually I can get all the items from the dictionary, which is key value pairs. So for example, my dictionary dot items, then I will get list. The output will be list containing tuple, and every tuple containing key value pair. And also in another method I can, for example, get only the keys of my dictionary. So, and to get the keys I can use the keys method. So my dictionary dot keys, then keys, not key, then I will get list containing the keys of my dictionary. The same for the values, but with using the values method. Values, also I will get list containing the values of my dictionary. And that's it about the accessing elements in dictionary. And now, for example, if I want to delete item from my dictionary, then I can use the keyword del. So del my dictionary, then for example let's try with career. Then if I try to print my dictionary, then as you can see the key value was deleted, which is career YouTuber. Also I can use another method which is pop, and pop, as we learned in previous videos, return the deleted value. So my dictionary dot pop, then here I have to insert or pass the key as argument. So for example age, then as you can see the value 26 was deleted, of course with its key. So here if I try to print my dictionary, as you can see the key value age 26 was deleted. Also I can use another method which is pop item, but with pop item I will delete the last item in my dictionary. So for example my dictionary dot pop item, then the last one, which is last name, will be deleted. Last name Jabi. And finally, if I want, for example, to delete all the dictionary, I can use two methods. The first one, which is clear. For example, my dictionary dot clear, then if I try to print it I will get empty. And the second one, which is the keyword del. So del, let's first try to add new values. So now we have two key values pairs. So if I use del my dictionary, then if I try to get my dictionary I will get error. and that's the difference between del keyword and clear method. With clear I will get none, or I will get empty dictionary, but with del keyword I will get error, which is, for example here, name my dictionary is not defined. And now the last method I will use, which is copy. And copy return copy of my dictionary. So for example, if I tried, sorry, I will create it from again. So my dictionary, then, and as you can see, with numbers we can use it without single or double quotation. So here, for example, 5, then 3. So that's enough now. So if I want to copy, so my dictionary dot copy, then here if I try to print copy, then I will get copy of my dictionary. And now let's move to another heading. For example, let's see if we can use list with dictionary. So let's try to declare dictionary, my dictionary, then equal, for example, name, Chab, then last name, let's make it tube, for example. And now if I want, for example, use list with dictionary, I can do that. For example, my dictionary, and let's make, for example, video. And here, for example, the Jabi, let's make it has, for example, many videos. So here I can use, for example, the first video list, then the second one tuple, the third one let's make it set, and finally dictionary. Then if I want to see my dictionary, then as you can see, the last item, the value of last item is list. And now let's see how can we use loop with dictionary. And actually we use loop with dictionary to get the values of dictionary, or the keys, or the key value together. So let's try. So for example, first let me clear. So my dictionary equal name, let's say Jabi, and the second one last, let's make it tube, and let's for example career, then YouTuber. Then if I want to, for example, print these key values, I can use for then the item in my dictionary dot. For example, let's say we want to print the keys of my dictionary, then here print item, sorry, oh, here keys, not key, then print item. Then as you can see, here is the keys of my dictionary, and now I want to print the values of my dictionary. Then I can use the same but with different method, which is values, and here Jabi, Tube, YouTuber is the values of my dictionary. And now I can print the key value together. So here I have to use items, then print item, and as you can see here, we get the key value pairs for my dictionary. And now with for loop, actually I can get output or formatted output better like this. So let's see how can we do it. So for key and value, so here key value in, and here my dictionary dot items again. Then for example print, let's say first let's put the format, and here is the key and value. So here I can write, for example, the key for example just has single quote, then curly brackets, value. So if I try to print it, then I will get this output, which is the key name has Jabi value, and the key last has Tube value, and the key carrier has YouTuber value. And that's it for the dictionaries. We learned how to create dictionary, how to add, delete, update items in dictionary, and how to access items in dictionary, either the keys or the values or the key value pairs together. So now I hope you all have better understanding of dictionaries in Python, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to click on like video and subscribe me. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.